Nikita. I am studying grade 4.
Tell me now. First one. 444, 333, 111.
888.
Next one. 222, 333, 222.
777.
Next one. 888, minus 666, plus 333.
555.
Next one. 999, minus 555, plus 333.
775.
Next one. 333, again 333,
Again
minus 111.
550.